Hi everyone, this is the explanation for practice session 1 on number series. This is your first question. Let us look at the given numbers once. If you observe the numbers 6, 15, 35, 77, 143, 6 and 15, let us try to relate these two numbers this way. 6 into 2 plus 3 is 15. Can we relate 15 and 35 in the same way? 15 into 2 plus 5 is 35. 35 into 2 plus 7 is 77. Now, 77 into 2 plus 9 or 11. If you relate 3, 5, 7 as odd numbers, now 77 into 2 plus 9. When you consider 3, 5, 7 as prime numbers, 77 into 2 plus 11. In either of the instances, it's not 143. Now let us try to relate the given numbers in another way. 6 can be written as product of two numbers, let us say 2 into 3. 2 and 3 are consecutive prime numbers. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. 35 can be written as 5 into 7. 77 can be written as 7 into 11. 143 as 11 into 13. So all the given numbers are in the form of product of two consecutive prime numbers. So what should be the next number now? 13 into 17, which gives you 221, and it's option number 3, third option, next to this. So this question, which is a very easy question once you go with the lesson 4 on the topic number series in this channel. 6, 24, 120, 336, 1320. Once you look at the given numbers, these numbers are in the form of n cube minus n. 6 can be written as 2 cube minus 2. 24 can be written as 3 cube minus 3. 120 can be written as 5 cube minus 5. 336 can be written as 7 cube minus 7. 1320 is 11 cube minus 11. And your answer will be 13 cube minus 13, which is 2184. And it's B. Now let us discuss the third question. 5, 15, 77, 159, 797, 1599. When you try to relate these numbers, let me start from this end. 797, 1599. 797 is close to 800. Let us go with an approximate value. 797, let us go with 800 now. 800 2 times 1600. So we got a value close to 1599. So 797 into 2 will give you a number close to 1599. So when you calculate this, 797 into 2 plus 5 is 1599. In the same way, can I relate 159 and 797? This time, 159, I want you to consider it as 160. 797, as we discussed earlier, it's close to 800. So 160 into 5 is 800. So 159 into 5 plus 2 gives you 797. Now 77 and 159. 77 into 2 plus 5. As it's into 2 plus 5, into 5 plus 2, into 2 plus 5, you can answer the question here itself. But let us go with the remaining two numbers even. 15 into 5 plus 2, 5 into 2 plus 5. So your answer will be 1599 into 5 plus 2, which gives you 7997. Question number 4. 32 and 48. 48 lies somewhere between 32 and 64. 64 is nothing but 32 2 times. So 32 into 1.5 is 48. 48 into 2.5 is 120. 120 into 3.5 is 420. 420 into 4.5 is 1890. So your answer will be 1890 into 5.5, which gives you 10395. Now, question number 5. 52, 59, 73, 83, 94. Difference between these numbers. As these numbers are close to one another, difference between 52 and 59 is 7. Difference between these two is 14. Difference between 73 and 83 is 10. Difference between 83 and 94 is 11. If you observe these numbers, 7 is nothing but 5 plus 2. In the number 52, you are given 2 digits, 5 and 2. Sum of those two gives you 7. 59. 5 plus 9 is 14. Digits of the number 73. 7 plus 3 is 10. 8 plus 3 is 11. 9 plus 4 is 13. So 94 plus 13, which gives you 107. It's B. Let us look at the sixth question now. 9, 29, 67, 129, 221. You should be comfortable identifying these numbers, as these numbers are close to cubes. 9, let me write it as 2 cube plus 1. 29 can be written as 3 cube plus 2. 67 can be written as 4 cube plus 3. 129 can be written as 5 cube plus 4. 221 can be written as 6 cube plus 5. So what should be your answer now? 7 cube plus 6, which gives you 349. Seventh one. 187, 235, 355, 523, 811. Let us see now. 187 and 235. As these numbers are close to one another, let us try to find the difference among the given numbers. 187 and 235. Difference between these two is 48. Difference between 235 and 355 is 120. Difference between 355 and 523 is 168. If you observe these numbers 48, 120 and 168, 48 plus 120 gives you 168. 120 plus 168 gives you 288. In the same way, 168 plus 288 gives you 456. So 811 plus 456 gives you 1267, which is not present in your options. As your trial fails, we have to move on to another trial. Now, let us try to relate the given numbers this way. 48. If you observe this number, it can be written as 7 square minus 1. 120 can be written as 11 square minus 1. 168 is 13 square minus 1. 288 can be written as 17 square minus 1. So 7, 11, 13 and 17 are consecutive prime numbers. So 360 should be added here, as it's 19 square minus 1, and your answer will be 1171, and it's option A. Now question number 8. 15, 38, 141, 628, 3265. Can we start with these two numbers? Can I relate these two numbers first? Let's try to find the difference among these numbers. So if you relate this way, we have to go with n number of trials. So instead of this, let us try to relate 628 and 3265. 628 5 times gives you a number close to 3265. So it's 628 into 5 plus 5 cube. 141 and 628. 141 into 4 plus 4 cube. 38 into 3 plus 3 cube. 15 into 2 plus 2 cube. So your answer will be 3265 into 6 plus 6 cube, which gives you 19806. And it's option B. And this is the ninth question. 111, 222, 444, 888, 1776. Usually we will think this way: 111 plus 111, or 111 two times 222, 222 two times 444, 444 plus 444, 888, 888 when added to the same number gives you 1776. So 1776 plus 1776, which gives you 3552. It is not given in your options. So this is not your answer. Let us try to relate the given numbers in another way. If you observe these numbers 111 and 111, which is nothing but reverse of that number. Let me explain you this one of reverse of a number. Let me explain you with an example. 234 is the reverse of 432. 253 and 352. So when you reverse the number 253, you'll get 352. In the same way, 111 and its reverse is 111 again. So 111 when added to its reverse gives you 222. 222 plus its reverse gives you 444. 444 plus its reverse gives you 888. 888 when added to its reverse gives you 1776. So 1776 plus its reverse gives you 8547, and it's option A. Now question number 10. Let me start with these two numbers 1265 3755. 12 3 times 36. So approximately 1265 3 times gives you 3755. So if you are given a question this way, relating the bigger numbers will definitely save your time. So I want you to get used to relate these two numbers first. So 1265 into 3 gives you a number close to 3755. So 1265 into 3 minus 40. 186 and 269. Let us try to relate these two. 186 into 1.5 minus 10. 269 into 2 minus 20. 518 into 2.5 minus 30. So your answer should be 3755 into 3.5 minus 50, and it's 13092.5. This is the explanation of practice session 1 on number series. See you soon in the next video. Practice as much as you can. If you have any doubts, write it as a comment. Thank you.